Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video I'm gonna be unboxing my new Chanel. I've been wanting to get a Chanel classic flat bag for a long time, but I just keep procrastinating of getting it because I think it doesn't suit my style, because I personally like to wear a bag on a cocker of my arm, just like this Fendi bag like that. So I think that Chanel flat bag is just not suit my style, but I just wanna have it in my closet, you know. And I think it's classic. I can get anytime I want. I just couldn't find a purpose of using it, and so that's why I keep procrastinating. But as soon as I saw this color, the color that I'm going to show you guys, I told myself that I need to get it right away, otherwise I will regret it after, you know, when this color is gone. So because I already mixed out from the last collection, and in that last collection has a flat bag that has a similar color to this one but slightly different. I'm going to do comparison to the previous collection later on, but I think this one is more prettier. Now, without any more talking, let's get into the unboxing part.
I don't know, I didn't get the holiday wrapping things. Maybe my boutiques don't have the holiday collection yet. Nice. Kaloei.
Nice and wrapped in fine. This is the booklet and cloth of, you know, for wiping it, cleaning the bag, and this is the booklet. Ready? See, this color is so gorgeous. This one in light blue color. I believe this is called blue color. It doesn't say in here. This one's similar to the last collections. This one is 2020 cruise collection. Some people call this color is Tiffany blue color, but I think that last collection has an exactly Tiffany blue collection than this one. This one is slightly lighter blue than the last collection. And inside is double flat bag. More paper wrap. That's inside. Yeah. There's a pocket there, the large pocket, and yeah, and the pocket there, and the back pocket here as well, zip pocket here, and the back pocket here. Oh, this one in a medium size. I believe that it comes only 2 sizes, medium and a smaller size. Now I have a Tiffany box here to give you a comparison so you can see it similar, very similar. This is in neutral light, natural light in the daylight. So you can see the different. It's a Tiffany ring box. Sensitive card. I think I have the cards that say the best color, and I just couldn't find it. Yeah. Anyway, I think it should come with it, but no. And I think it only comes in Kaloei leather and in only one shade of hardware. This one is not silver, this one is champagne gold. If you compare with the silver one, you will see the difference. And the price of this one is 8,760 Australian dollars. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.